Hello, my Facebook family. There's been a lot of fear online about Tylenol, also called paracetamol or acetaminophen, especially for pregnant women. Some viral posts and even popular voices are saying if you take Tylenol, that is paracetamol, during pregnancy, that your child may develop autism. As a parent, I know how scary that sounds. Before I proceed, I want you to understand the word autism. Autism is also called Autism Spectrum Disorder (ASD). Yes, this is a condition that affects how a child communicates, learns, relates with people. Some children may talk late, avoid eye contact, or prefer to play alone. Do you get? You see, as a parent, I know how scary that sounds. But let's slow down. Is it true? Is it false? Today I'll break it down in simple English so you don't live in fear or confusion anymore. Do you get? Stay with me to the end because I'll explain what scientists actually know and what mothers should do right now. Tylenol or paracetamol is one of the most common medicines used by pregnant women for headache, pain, and fever. Recently, some studies suggested there might be a link between frequent use of Tylenol, that is paracetamol, during pregnancy and conditions like autism or ADHD in children. ADHD simply means attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. It's when a child has trouble paying attention, sitting still, or controlling impulses. For example, a child may keep moving in class, forget instructions easily, or jump into activities without thinking. This news spread like fire on TikTok, Twitter, and even newspapers. Some people panicked, others stopped taking the medicine, and many pregnant women became confused. But here is the truth. A few studies suggested a possible link. Does not mean Tylenol directly cause autism. Pregnant women who use Tylenol very often or in a higher doses has a slightly higher chance of having children with developmental issues. Other factors matters. Autism is complex. It can be linked to genetics, that is genetic factor, environment, infections, or even complications during pregnancy. Medicine is just one possible piece of the puzzle. So doctors are saying, yes, we need more research, but don't panic. This medicine, when used correctly, is still considered one of the safest options in pregnancy. If you are pregnant and you are in pain, what you do is this. Don't self-medicate in fear. Consult your doctor before starting or stopping any medication. Use the smallest dose for the shortest time. Don't take paracetamol every day. This is not just an issue in the USA or UK. Pregnant women in Africa, Asia, and everywhere in the world use paracetamol. That is why this conversation matters for all of us. Don't take paracetamol every day unless your doctor says so. You get. Explore the natural relief. Sometimes rest, hydration, gentle massage can ease mild pain. Avoid risky alternatives. Strong painkillers are often more dangerous in pregnancy. So here's my question to you. If you were pregnant and had a terrible headache, would you still take Tylenol, that's paracetamol, after hearing these rumors? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's learn from one another. And please share this video to any mother to be. Misinformation spreads fast, but together we can spread the truth even faster. Please don't forget to follow my page, Euphemia Health Hub and Lifestyle. And please support my YouTube channel to grow by subscribing to Euphemia Ogechukwu. For more health talks,